So I just got back from work, and yeah, I was running a little bit late because I was doing some beer trainings and stuff like that. So yeah, so right now I didn't manage to go to the gym today because I couldn't book any slots. Everything was full. Yeah, I was a little bit late, so yeah. So anyways, right now around 12:21. What the hell, can I focus? 12:21, and yeah, I thought I might just go down for a short workout and yeah, bring the camera along. Man, check out the moon, looks pretty. So I'm like a week into my workout plan, and it's been going really well, apart from my diet, which is just yeah, I just don't have the time to meal prep and stuff. So for breakfast it's pretty easy, like brown bread with some peanut butter, or oatmeal with milk. It's pretty straightforward. And for lunch I've been eating this chicken breast, just no carbs, nothing. But then for dinner I'm just going with all kinds of different foods, and yeah, it's pretty bad, but yeah, we'll keep trying. But the workout part, pretty good. Just missed today, first day, but yeah, I'm not gonna miss anything. I'm not gonna miss it I'm not gonna count it like I missed the day, because I'm gonna be working out here. I'm gonna do my usual cardio workout, which is like 15 minutes. I'm sure you guys know if you guys watch my previous videos. Yeah, I'm gonna skip for 15 minutes, do some push-ups, sit-ups, and some pull-ups maybe. And yeah, tomorrow I'll be hitting the gym for legs day, which I'm not really looking forward to it, but yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? So yeah, let's start skipping. Let's go. 30-second rest. Another four. Round 2. Freaking hell. Crazy. Round 2. Come on. My shoulders are starting to give up. Bloody hell. I'm gonna take 1 minute rest. 1 minute and I'll be back. Bloody hell. Try if you can, man. It's just 15 minutes. Okay, now 16 minutes because I'm taking 1 minute rest. But yeah, it's just a short workout, but it will hit you really, really hard. Whew. Crazy, man. Let's get it started. Come on. Last round. Jesus. Stop, man. Oh, come on. It's not even 2. Come on. Come on. Ah. Good day, guys. I'll catch up with you guys in the next vlog. Peace out.